Here's the app called Paint AI Color Visualizer Exterior House Paint Tester. So here it is, Paint AI Paint Color Visualizer. Number one in home AI visualization, real paint colors from top brands, interior and exterior visualization. Transform your space with Paint AI. Discover the easiest and most innovative way to choose the perfect paint color for your home with Paint AI, cutting edge app that brings your interior and exterior design dreams to life. Finding the perfect paint color and visualizing it in your space can be stressful, but Paint AI simplifies this process with real paint color from the biggest paint brands. AI-powered color visualization, access to real paint colors, easy-to-use interface, explore similar colors, realistic color representation, interior and exterior visualization, instant color matchmaking. Pretty interesting app, so let's take a look in here. So paint inside or outside, explore paint colors for your home. Basically, that's the idea. You can just see in here, yearly $40, weekly $10, free plan. There is a free plan. It's pretty cool. You still need to sign in here. Oopsie. All right, let's just try to sign in here. So here it is, then you can just start painting. You can try to remove objects, you can try to replace objects, brush, reskin. So the main feature is paint. So sample images, for example, you can select all types of sample images. So here it is, just select this, analyze image, choose area to paint. So I don't know how to select it. So now it's automatically found the object. You see it's selected, and then you can just find different palettes. You can find your own costume. So here it is. Let's just do this, and then you can just tap to generate it like that. It takes time. 8 free generations remaining. And that's it. So that's basically the idea, how it might look like, how you can get the idea, and you used one generation. So then you can go back in here, and that's what it is in here. That's how it works. So, and then you have projects, you have community, people posting different stuff, and then you see tutorials. And that's the app, pretty powerful app, and it has 8 free generations, so try it out.